So, I'm here with my bestie, and we're going to be making slime. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all those post notifications. Now, let's get started. So, we're going to be making slime with Nickelodeon blue glue. So, yeah. It looks like Jell-O. Oh my gosh.
It almost spilled everywhere.
So, yeah, tomorrow she's coming over to my house and we're going to have a sleepover party. Is that good?
Yeah. And then we're maybe going to do a 3 a.m. challenge.
Yeah. And then in the morning, we're going to go to the mall. But, sorry, we probably aren't allowed to vlog there.
Yeah, we can't film in the mall because I think they would yell at us or kick us out or something.
Mm-hmm. Well, we put the, scented. Wow, that's a lot.
By accident, I put too much.
Do you have, like, popsicle sticks?
Yeah, I'll go get them.
You should just use this tiny lid to pour it in there.
That's the lid to this.
Oh, yeah, it might get stuck in there. So, yeah.
Got 2 popsicle sticks.
Wow. Oh, my gosh. At least I didn't pour that much into the slime.
Yes. Well,
What? That's actually really pretty. It looks like a cloud.
I know. Baking soda's in the way.
So, and if you want to, you can comment how your day is going. And,
Stuck on a popsicle stick.
We're actually birthday twins. So, like I was telling you in my last video, well, it was like the video that I just made last night. It was a couple days ago. Our birthday was on Monday. So, yeah, we're birthday twins.
I'm just patting it down because it's
that looks so fluffy.
I'm making it look like cotton candy because I'm pleasing it.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine. Just work.
Oh, I should have rolled up my sleeves.
Yeah, I don't have.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine. I'm gonna get this towel.
Okay.
If it's a blue towel, nothing would happen to it. Anyhow, it's getting washed today anyway. A little bit.
Okay, so do you have anything to say to them?
No.
So, show them your slime right now. So right now, it looks like a cloud. She kind of put a little too much baking soda, but it feels really good still. It feels like kind of sandy. This is what mine looks like.
Mine.
Puke. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
It is terrible.
Oh my gosh.
It just ripped in half.
You should have put some activator.
Oh, yeah.
Oops. Oh, this is still good, kind of.
It's already too thick. I don't think.
Wait, which one was already? Is this one already open?
Both of them.
Oh, okay. So we'll come back to you when we try.
I'm not adding any baking soda. I'm just gonna add this.
We'll come back to you after we're done trying to fix these slimes, okay? So we have made a lot of slime in our past life. We've even made Starburst slimes. So, but I don't know why this isn't really working out.
Mine's working.
The last time I used that looks so fluffy. The last time I used Nickelodeon slime, I used the pink one, and it didn't really work out. But this blue one seems to work better than the pink one, so I recommend not getting the pink one. So we're back, and we fixed our slimes.
Mine is still terrible.
Mine is perfect. It feels so good. Ready? Satisfying moment. Oh!
She did way better than I did. Let's see how far we can stretch hers.
Oh my gosh, so we're going to make another video. We're gonna make another video and try to make our slimes better and not add so much baking soda, because she started off with baking soda and put like the whole bottle. Well, not the whole bottle, but she put a bunch.
Yeah, so then we just use this little measuring cup, and we're going to do way better later.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to do way better.
So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on all those post notifications. And make sure you watch all of my videos and watch the next video that we're about to make. So
And make sure to follow her on TikTok.
And you can add me as a friend on Roblox. So, bye.
Bye.
Make sure you watch our next video that we're about to make. Purr.